5 Easy Ways to Keep Your White Kitchen Spotless. Dear friends, do you love having pristine white interiors at home, but cringe at the idea of maintaining that shine and gloss? Well, if white is your sole color and you cannot help but have an elegant ivory kitchen in a glossy or matte finish, maintaining that can be a daunting task. Maintain white kitchens like a pro with just a few simple tips. Fret not. Here are some super helpful tips to keep that white kitchen spotlessly clean. Maintain white kitchens. Tip number 1, protect from direct sunlight. One of the main reasons why white cabinets turn a dirty yellow is an exposure to direct sunlight. Yes, the sun is not only harmful to our skin, but it can also affect white kitchens too. Protect your shiny white kitchens from the harmful effects of the sun by using drapes, sheers, or blinds. This will not only tone down the harsh light but also add a beautiful texture to your kitchen. Maintain white kitchens. Tip number 2, exhaust it out. The exhaust fan does not just save your lungs from all the fumes that are produced while you cook. It is also responsible for making your kitchens less oily and greasy when used well. The mouth-watering aromas rise into the air as soon as you start cooking, and since they have to land somewhere, their favorite place is your countertops. Switching on the chimney/exhaust fan will make sure this does not happen. Maintain white kitchens. Tip number 3, humble home recipe. Do you have white tiles installed in your kitchen? Well, you must be wondering day in and day out, how to keep those grout lines from forming ugly stains. We suggest you use a homogeneous mixture made up of vinegar and baking soda, and with the help of a toothbrush, you can scrub away those dirty stains. Lemon can also act as a substitute for vinegar. Maintain white kitchens. Tip number 4, sinks that shine. Well, for ceramic sinks that are pristine white, we do not suggest any harsh industrial chemicals. They will do more harm than good to the sink. To get rid of tough food stains from your kitchen sink, try using a mixture of white vinegar and lemon juice. Spray it on the stains and leave it for some time. You should have a sparkling sink in no time. Maintain white kitchens. Tip number 5, make it a routine. Of course, there's no better way to maintain white kitchens than to clean them regularly and diligently. Stock up on house cleaning detergents and basic cleaning material and you should be good to go. Something as simple as some warm water and a soft washcloth can do the trick. You are now ready to go all white in your kitchens and take your home design to another level of contemporary aesthetics. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Laud's channel How to Make My House.